Briana Vaughn is an artist of her own. She's a singer, she's a performer. Many of that she learned while here in Portsmouth. She called me around May and said, "You're not gonna believe this, but we're stopping in Portsmouth at the Pavilion. And I can't wait to come back." She said, "It's really been on my heart to give back to the city that gave me my start. Can we do a workshop?"
Having this opportunity to come back is really a dream come true. Aside from, artistry and aspirations with what I do as a career, it's always been my heart desire to come back to my city and give back in some way. Like the talent that we actually have here and having the opportunity to come back and pour into our youth. So this is actually an aspiring artist and background vocalist workshop. With this workshop, we are giving the students tools, advice, and practical training for what it looks like to actually pour and develop into a career as an artist. We are teaching them about what artistry is, how important it is to be your authentic self and be confident in that. We're also teaching about vocal etiquette, performance, all of the tools and the things that are necessary to not only just help you walk into this as a career, but also walk into it confident.
We did different activities like learning how to control our voices. We did different activities like warm-ups and stuff. They talked to us about like stage presence and performance and how to go about performing in front of big crowds and things like that.
I hope they took that with hard work, dedication, sticking to something, and keeping that passion, keeping that vision, keeping that dream alive.
Honestly, it was a good experience for me because me as a person, I can be shy in ways and it'll be hard for me to open up when I'm performing. So it really helped me in that way.
Just seeing all of that in fruition here and seeing how engaged the students were, how she just really sparked a new interest in performing and just performing arts in general.